Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today's a special day because GM sent me my Z06 owner's crate. So for those of you that have not bought a new C8, I'm going to go ahead and explain what this is, when you get it, and show you what it looks like. But before we go into that, I think we should kick this video off with a cold start. Also, I want to mention, after purchasing my new Hellcat, Mustang, I never got a gift like this before with any other brand, so I thought this was really cool. So basically, when you order a brand new C8 and your name is the name on the order form, so your name is the one that is on the workbench to build the car for, GM, after you take delivery, about 6 months to a year later, will send you a gift, and this is what it looks like. And you won't really know when it's coming. You might get an email to whatever email you put in the workbench for the order, that you'll get like this random shipping notification, but other than that, you won't really know when it's gonna show up, so it's kind of a nice surprise. And this is the same for Stingray, Z06, I believe E-Rays too. I did get one for both of my Stingrays, and then the Z06 box there at the top. So when you open it up, first thing you're gonna see is this envelope with the Corvette logo on it. So I'll show you what's inside. And then underneath is the box with the actual gift. When you open up the envelope, you get these two letters here. So the top one is an invitation to Ron Fellow's Performance Driving School, which I just posted videos about a week or two ago, so check those out. The bottom one is a welcome letter to the Corvette community. It's got your name on it, your VIN number, and it's from the chief engineer, VP, Chevy marketing, and then the dealership that you purchased the car from. After you're done with the letters, this is the main box here with the Corvette emblem. Also says Stingray here. And inside is your speed model. So my car was black, so my speed model is also black. The speed model matches whatever the exterior color of your car is. Let's see, box and model are really nice. So this is like a plaque, which I'll take out in a second, but over here is your year, your VIN number. Really well done. This is what the plaque looks like outside the box. Ignore the dust, I didn't bother wiping it off yet, but this is really nice. You put it up somewhere in your garage, in your house. Really beautiful gift from GM. This is the Stingray model from my previous Z51 Stingray. So I'll show you guys the Z06 model in a second. All right, put the Stingray box back. This is the Z06 box. One thing off the bat I noticed is this is much heavier than the Stingray box. All right, first thing I noticed when I opened up the Z06 box is this looks different. These little doors are magnetized, so kind of hard to open with one hand, but pull it open and there is the box. So for the Z06, this seems to be just one box altogether. So you can't really take this piece out. And so this is the opening, I guess, to what's inside. Similar to the Stingray, when you open up this letter, you get these two letters again. So another invite to the Ron Fellow's Performance Driving School, this time for the Z06 class, and then also a welcome letter to celebrate Z06 ownership from the chief engineer, VP marketing, and where you purchased the car. The next thing in the box is this booklet, which has your VIN number on it. It's got Z06 on the cover, obviously. It looks really clean. In the booklet is basically a history of the Z06, its legacy, all its predecessors before it, some pages about the design that went into the Z06. Really beautiful booklet, super high quality. And then last but not least is the Z06 speed model. This one's got this kind of cover on it, so I'm going to take this off and show you what's underneath. So here it is, the Z06 speed model. I'm gonna take it out in a second and put it on the box so you can see the whole thing. Here is the plaque outside the box. As you can see, it's really beautiful. It's much larger than the Stingray model, much heavier. You can see it's got like this ramp here angling it forward on some kind of glass or crystal plaque. Really beautiful. I didn't wipe it down, so ignore kind of like the streaking and stuff, but it really looks crazy in person. The craziest part to me is Chevy did not have to do this. The car in and of itself is a gift. I mean, for the price point, so like they didn't even have to give out these plaques to the owners, but the fact that they did and the quality of it, it's kind of mind-blowing. These speed models for the Stingray, the Z06, all the C8s, they kind of just make the experience more special, you know, like more personalized. Now you have a plaque, you can remember this car forever. You know, you can have this up in your garage, like I said, in your house. Just a really nice, thoughtful gift from GM. Some people might not really care, but for me, this kind of differentiates GM and Chevy from the other brands I bought new cars from. You know, just like a thoughtful gift like this, I kind of wish I got a model of my Hellcat when I bought it, you know. Just makes the whole buying process of getting a new car, maybe your first Corvette, just that much more special. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it takes about 6 months to a year. It's pretty random when you're going to receive it. It's the first owner only, so the person that ordered the car and built the car. And, you know, so if you go buy a new C8, you know, it's got low miles, but you're the second owner, you unfortunately won't get this gift from GM. What you could do though is there are people selling them on eBay and stuff like that, so you could probably go pick one up in the same color as your car, you know, somewhere online. If you did order a C8 brand new, your name was on the order, and after a year you still didn't receive it, you can reach out to GM and look for a phone number to the Corvette concierge or your dealer, and either one can help you out. So just to wrap up, hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope it was informative. If you guys have any questions about the speed models or like when you're buying your new Corvette, you can put them in the comments. I'll try to get to those. Besides that, like, comment, subscribe, share. It helps the channel out and I always appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.